Hello and welcome to the Text2 Car Road Maintenance Fleet Management tutorial series. In this video, we're going to go over the location history map. To get started, let's navigate over to the Vehicle Selection tool and scroll down and find a device we want to investigate. Once we come to the Vehicle Specific Options screen, let's scroll down and navigate to the Location History map. Once in the location history map, you will see that every event that this vehicle has reported during this day will appear on here, either as a bubble icon or an arrow indicating a turn. To see the first event that was created, you can click on Start at the bottom left-hand corner. And now you can click Next to go about his day. Or if you want to see the latest event that was created, you can click on the Latest button. With an icon selected, if you want to minimize it, simply click on it to make it disappear. If ever the turns seem to be getting in the way, you can click on the Options tab and come over to Filter Markers and select the turns. As well as turns, you can filter off any of the other events that are created. With the turns off, you'll see red lines and blue lines. This is RMFM specific and indicates blade up or blade down, or travel time versus work in progress. Now, the location history map can be viewed for today or any previous day since the device has been installed. Simply by clicking Date, you can switch months with the arrows and just pick a day and it'll take you to that day's events. And that concludes the location history map tutorial video. Thank you for watching.